From actionable ops, here's how to run Hermes across 1,000 prompts at once. Batch processing. Generate training data overnight, or evaluate a model. Same primitive. Batch processing runs the full agent with tools across hundreds or thousands of prompts in parallel. Out comes structured trajectory data. Every conversation, every tool call, every result. It's how you make fine-tuning data, or measure how well a model actually uses tools, at scale. The input is a simple JSONL file, one object per line, each with a prompt field. That's your work list. If a prompt needs a specific environment, you can give it its own container image or working directory, right there in the line. You run it with batchrunner.py, pointed at your dataset, set a batch size, a run name, the model, and how many workers run in parallel. You can also set -- reasoning effort to control how hard the model thinks on each prompt, from none all the way to ultra. Each prompt gets its own isolated agent session, so they don't step on each other. Everything lands in a data folder named for your run. The headline file is trajectories.jsonl. The full conversations in shared GPT format, from and value, with tool usage stats on each one. It drops straight into a fine-tune or an eval. It's built for long runs. Checkpointing means 1,000 prompt job survives a crash. Resume picks up by matching finished prompts by their content, and retries the ones that failed. And it cleans as it goes. Samples with no reasoning, or made-up tool names, get filtered out. One more touch that matters for training data. Each prompt is randomly handed a different mix of toolsets from a distribution, so your trajectories cover lots of tool combinations, not the same 3 every time. List distributions shows what's available. That's batch processing in Hermes, built by Noose Research. And for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.